Hello, in front of me I've got SCUF Valor Pro. In this video I'll show you preview of the controller. As you can see, this controller is based on Xbox Series X controller. It has the same outlay with D-pad, 2 thumbsticks, A, B, X, Y buttons, home button, share button and menu button, but also it adds multiple features. Take a look at the bottom of the controller. Right here we've got the audio control panel, thanks to which you can manage chat and game volume. Here you can find headphones jack, and at the bottom of the controller you can find 4 additional buttons that can be mapped. Right here we've got trigger locks, 2 bumpers and USB-C charging port, because this controller does not support batteries. Also, this controller has fine finishing with very high-end plastic that feels comfortable and reduces sweating, and also rubber grip, thanks to which your grip is more firm. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.